In this video, we are going to explain how a wrong tax code can quietly cost you money every single month, and exactly what to do about it. A wrong tax code means your employer is calculating your tax using incorrect information. This can result in you paying too much tax every single month, often without ever realizing it. Because tax is deducted automatically, most people simply trust that the right amount is coming out. But that is not always the case. A wrong tax code can happen for several reasons. HMRC may make an error when updating your records. You might start a new job and your details are not transferred correctly. Your circumstances may have changed, but HMRC has not been informed. A previous underpayment may be being collected through an adjusted code, or an emergency code from when you started a job may simply never have been corrected. If your tax code shows a lower tax-free amount than you are actually entitled to, you will pay more tax than you should every single month. For example, if your code shows 1000L instead of 1257L, your tax-free amount is only £10,000 instead of £12,570. That difference of £2,570 is taxed at 20%, costing you an extra £514 a year, or £42.83, every single month. A wrong code can also work the other way, giving you a higher tax-free amount than you are entitled to. This means you pay less tax than you should each month, which can feel like a welcome boost to your take-home pay. But HMRC will eventually notice and correct it. When they do, you may face an unexpected tax bill to repay what you underpaid, sometimes covering more than one tax year. It is far better to have the right code from the start. Here is a real example. Someone earning £30,000 a year on the correct code of 1257L pays £290.50 a month in tax. On the wrong code of 1000L, they pay £333.33 a month. That is £42.83 overpaid every single month. Over a full year, that is £513.96. Over 2 years, that is more than £1,000 quietly taken from their pay, all because of 4 incorrect digits in a tax code. Checking your tax code is simple and takes just a few minutes. Look at your payslip. Your tax code is printed near the top. You can also log into your personal tax account at gov.uk to see your current code and check it matches your circumstances. Check any letters HMRC has sent you. And if you are ever unsure, you can call HMRC directly on 0300 200 3300. If you have been overpaying tax due to a wrong code, HMRC will usually refund you automatically at the end of the tax year. However, you can also claim proactively through your personal tax account at gov.uk without waiting. Refunds can go back up to 4 tax years, so it is always worth checking, even if you have never looked at your tax code before. Many people are owed money they simply do not know about. Understanding this is useful in several situations. Always check your tax code when you start a new job. Check it again when your pay or benefits change. If your monthly tax deduction ever increases or decreases unexpectedly, look at your code first, and make it a habit to check at the start of every new tax year. It takes 5 minutes and could save you a significant amount of money. The most common mistake people make is assuming that because tax is calculated automatically, it must be correct. This is simply not always the case. HMRC relies on up-to-date information, and if your circumstances have changed and they have not been informed, your code will be wrong. Never assume your tax code is correct. Take 5 minutes to check it. It could save you hundreds of pounds. To recap, a wrong tax code means paying too much or too little tax every month, often without realizing it. Check your code on your payslip or at gov.uk. If it is wrong, contact HMRC to have it corrected and claim back anything you are owed. The money is yours. Make sure you have it. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please subscribe for more everyday money topics explained simply.